Hey, it's Dexx Williams, and in this video, I'm going to share 3 secret, little-known features of Kajabi that most people miss so that you can make the most out of a 60-day free trial of Kajabi. That's right, in case you didn't know, typically, Kajabi only offers a 14-day free trial. But right now, as of this moment, for a very limited time, you can get access to a 60-day, 2-month free trial of Kajabi at kajabipromo.com. That's my partner link. And if you do access and register a new account with Kajabi at kajabipromo.com, you'll also get access to my partner bonuses that will also help make your success with the platform that much easier. I've been doing online marketing for 14 years, helping small businesses to increase their sales by 30% or more. So in order to make sure that you get the most out of your 60-day free trial of Kajabi, not only will you get access to me one-on-one for a coaching call to make sure that your business is structured, set up, and ready to go as soon as possible, but I'll also be throwing in access to my $997 bonus business breakthrough toolkit, which includes, number 1, my profitable niche selection and research training, which is typically where a lot of people struggle when it comes to starting their online business. You know, they go through a bunch of courses, a bunch of training, but they get the niche selection, the audience targeting wrong. And it sets them up for a roller coaster ride of struggles and hardship. So first off, you get access to that training to make sure you get going as soon as possible. And secondly, you get access to my masterclass training for small businesses. That's going to reveal the same 5-step process that I use to help small businesses increase their sales by 30% or more. And it applies to online businesses just as well. So to get access to those bonuses and my one-on-one coaching call to make sure you get rocking with your 60-day trial of Kajabi as soon as possible, just head to my partner link, kajabipromo.com. And if it's still available at the time that you're watching this, you will be able to get access to it. And worst case scenario, you'll still get double the typical Kajabi trial length. Now, that being said, let me show you exactly what the 3 features of Kajabi are that most people tend to miss, which will help you also get a great start with your free trial. First off, I want to show you inside the dashboard. This is my demo site. And if you scroll down, the first thing that you will see is free live training sessions. Now, a lot of people don't realize that this is available. So in these live training sessions, which are typically held daily, they will actually cover a lot of the questions and answers that people are seeking when it comes to getting success with Kajabi. They cover everything from the questions from signing up to getting started, branding basics, all-in-ones, you name it. That's Monday. You got Tuesday, Wednesday, you name it. So make sure once you start your free trial, your 60-day free trial, I still can't believe it, that you check in on these live training sessions. And if you do miss any, you can always come down to the on-demand and you can see some pre-recorded interviews with some of the experts. Speaking of the experts, there's another feature of Kajabi that often doesn't get talked about, and it is the Kajabi University. So right here, when you scroll down, you'll be able to go to Kajabi University. Now, I already started a course, but if you actually go back to the main site, you will see that they have all kinds of training topics to make sure that whether it's product creation, lead generation, sales, and marketing, you are completely covered. They have different courses and programs regardless of if you're a beginner or if you're maybe someone who's, a bit more experienced who needs some advanced training. All of these topics are available here and included at no extra charge once you start your trial. Now, typically, people who only have the 14-day free trial, they feel a bit rushed to get through all of this content. However, you will have a 60-day, 2-month free trial of Kajabi, and realistically, they give a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's technically a 3-month trial of Kajabi, so no excuses. So you've got the live training, you've got Kajabi University, and the last little feature that I wanted to touch base on, because I see this in the Kajabi Facebook group every now and then. Inside of the settings, that will let you see right here, it's called Labs. And inside of Labs, you can see all kinds of cool features that haven't actually been made available by default to the entire user base. However, you can come in and activate basically these new features while they're still in beta, still being tested, but it gives you additional features and usability for your account that you might want, whether it's more detailed analytics, better breadcrumbs for your products, more details for your new members and students joining your programs, you name it. So make sure that you come in, check out Labs, see if there's any features that you want to turn on while you're going through your free trial, just to make sure that you're not frustrated saying, oh, I wish Kajabi had this, when it actually might have it just on the cusp of being released that you can access right now. So there you go. Once again, if you want to get started today for a very limited time, head over to kajabipromo.com, register a new account, get access to your 60-day free trial. Forward me your actually, you don't even need to forward me. It's actually set up the minute that you create your account, you'll actually be automatically sent an email from me with the details and access to schedule your one-on-one call and access your bonuses. So with that said, I hope you enjoy it. I look forward to seeing you join the Kajabi family, and I will talk to you soon.